Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a profile picture to your Facebook page in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, or bottom right corner on some devices, to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Pages. Select the Facebook page where you want to add a profile picture. Tap on Switch. Go to the profile. Tap on the profile picture icon or the camera icon near the profile image area. Now, tap on Edit Profile Picture. Choose an option. You can upload a photo from your phone, take a new one, or select from your Facebook albums. Adjust the image if needed, and tap Save. Your new profile picture will be updated on your Facebook page. And that's it. How to add a profile picture to your Facebook page. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.